Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited S. Appearance in ceramic gray. With adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 18-inch aluminum wheels, hands-free sliding doors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual pane panoramic sunroof, seat back video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7073.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.